Hi guys, my name is Harsh Goyla and I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets. Now guys, होता क्या है for all our students of our program who take our program, all our students we have a private community for them where they can share their investor philosophies, where they can share about their current holdings and take advice and help others, right? अब हमारी community है. Now on this community, one gentleman he wrote about his losses and of course because he had suffered loss up to 1.5 lakhs तो 1.5 लाख का नुकसान हो चुका था and he was taking a big hit, so he was sharing his heart out. So he wrote that I'm feeling this, I'm feeling depressed, and I'm very happy he did that because I'm very proud of the fact that हमारी community gave him that safe space that he could share this, right? And because to share your vulnerabilities with someone is the most difficult thing in the world. ठीक, so he did this and of course a lot of community members called him, helped him और सब अच्छा चल रहा था. ठीक, now when he shared his story, right, his story was that when he entered in stock markets, so he entered using tips. He used to buy cheap stocks. He was buying future options, heavily trading on future options without any experience. So of course he ended up in a major loss. And he joined our community, I think a week and a half back. He joined a program week and a half back. But since March 2020, he was stuck into this tips and everything and he didn't sell because होता है ना loss में हम नहीं बेच पाते हैं, right? So he could not sell and ultimately he had a loss of 1.5 lakhs where his entire capital just got wiped off, right? So that is why he was sharing his thoughts with our community that I have done this, and the very wise thing he did, he shared his thoughts so that no one else should repeat the same mistakes, जो बहुत ही अच्छा था. Now when he wrote that, all of us were very concerned, right? So I see the mistakes he made are the mistakes 99% people who enter the markets make. Same mistakes मैंने भी कर रखी हैं. When I also entered the markets, no, I used to work on tips. I only used to buy cheap stocks. I thought कि चलो I'll watch one or two technical things or read one or two books. जब when I started, then I don't think YouTube में ज़्यादा उसमें content था नहीं. तो about stock market, so I started reading random books on technical analysis. वो किया, वो try किया, but every time I used to fail, and I also was in a situation कि मेरा पूरा portfolio got wiped out. Right? Same thing happened with me. Same thing happened with Aditya when he started. Same thing happened with our student. Same thing happened with my father when he started. Right? So this is a cycle और सबके साथ ये होता ही रहता है. Only difference is the successful investors, the successful traders, they learn from it and grow. Otherwise, people don't. ठीक है? They say कि stock market is जुआ है and they stop entering the markets, which is a big mistake. ठीक? Now, moving forward, then जब ये community में post आया, then I sat down with Aditya, Aditya and our father, right? उनका नाम राहुल गोयल है and he is a mentor, right? He's a CA, he's a mentor. मतलब just to tell you a brief about him, he's a chartered accountant. He's from SRCC, but SRCC is Sri Ram College of Commerce for people who don't know, and he was always into stock markets. Being a CA, उनका कभी interest ज़्यादा था ही नहीं in taking a job or starting a CA firm. उनका हमेशा इंटरेस्ट स्टॉक मार्केट में ही था. And again, he was always in stock markets. And आप मानोगे नहीं, people ask me that Harsh, can you make money? Can you actually make a career out of here? तो मैं सबको ये बोलता हूँ that my father, for the past 40 years, his main source of income has been stock market. For the past 30 years, his main source of income has been stock market itself. और कुछ इनकम नहीं है. एंड आई वॉज समवन, जब मैंने बोला था दैट आई वॉज शोइंग साइंस की डैड आई वॉन्ट टू बी इन स्टॉक मार्केट्स, मुझे स्टॉक मार्केट्स में करियर बनाना है, आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू बिकम इन्वेस्टर ट्रेडर. ही हेल्प्ड मी, ही पुश मी. और आप जानते हो, अ फादर विल नेवर पुश हिज सन इनटू अ लॉस मेकिंग बिजनेस. into a loss making business. If a father is running a business, को business अच्छा नहीं जाना, वो बेटे से बोलता है दोस्त तू बेटा तू नौकरी ले ले, तू पढ़ाई कर, तू मेहनत कर, तू नौकरी ले ले, business में मत आ. A father will never push his son into a loss making business. But as my dad was doing very well in stock markets, and because he had that faith that I had those capabilities that I could do well in stock markets, he pushed me कि बेटा कर, I am with you. Right? So again, when this post came in our community where a student was explaining about जो उसका loss हुआ, तो me, my father, Itya, we discussed, we sat कि ऐसा क्या हो रहा है, the same trading mistakes he made as a beginner, all of us are making. So what are the points, what are the things we can learn that every trader or investor makes in the beginning, जो हम नाम बनाएं, जो we don't repeat, that's it. So all his experience of 32 years, and trust me, my main inheritance, me and I have discussed it many times, that our main inheritance from our father will not be money or stocks. No. Our most valuable and the main inheritance from him would be his knowledge, would be his experience. And those, again, हो सकता है your fathers are not into stock markets, but they have knowledge and they have, more importantly, they have experience. So be sure to take the actual inheritance, because होता क्या है, we think that inheritance is only money. I know people who told me, yeah, my dad is not rich, my dad is not rich, I don't have anything to inherit. You have his experience, you have his knowledge. You know, agar if your dad did not do well, then you know what not to do. You can learn from that. And that is very important. Right? So, shout out to everyone that spend time with your parents, spend time with your elders who will share their true experience and knowledge to you. वो सबसे essential और crucial चीज़ है. That is your main inheritance. If you don't learn your father's skills, if you don't learn from his experiences, then cash and small maybe house you might inherit, उसका कुछ फायदा नहीं है. In the longer run, it won't help you with anything. Right? So that is rule number 1. Okay, again, मैं दोबारा टॉपिक पे आता हूँ. तो we were discussing and we made, with my father's 32 years of experience in stock market, my experience of 10 years in stock markets, Aditya's experience of 10 years in stock markets, all of us combined together, we brainstormed. I think we were sitting in a room from 9 to 10 hours, wherein mom just gave us food and थोड़ा बहुत काम वो चाय वाय ले रहे थे हम, that's it, and we were just brainstorming that what are the points, and there have been several fights among us itself, there have been several arguments among us कि नहीं ये होगा, ये नहीं ये होगा, बहुत situations हुई. Finally we have come out with that list, and today I'm going to share it with you. So today I'm going to share the 32 years of experience of stock markets in just a couple of minutes. So this video is going to be long, मैं आपको हर चीज़ का explanation दूंगा. So if you would like, treat it as a podcast. Put your headphones on, video को सुन लो, and you don't need to see the video, but सुन लो, because this video is going to be long and I want to share everything with you. जो points हमने 9-10 घंटे बैठ के we actually came out to these points, and all of you should remember. हो सकता है that some points you already know, हो सकता है some points you don't agree with or you don't know. Listen to the entire thing. I want, जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, that should go in your veins, that you don't do the same things, you don't make the same mistakes that I did when I started, my father did when he started, Aditya did when he started, or any other person does when he starts, because the same mistake patterns are repeated. Right? So here's the 32 years of experience in stock markets in just a couple of minutes. सबसे पहली चीज, never trade in excitement or in panic. Never trade in excitement or in panic. Market is not going anywhere. It will give numerous opportunities to make an entry and to make an exit. If you miss an opportunity, you don't need to chase it. Very soon, you'll get another bus to jump in. ठीक? Never trade in excitement or in panic. Never think that you've missed an opportunity. Oh no, this stock has gone up. I've missed this opportunity. ये मत करना. और हो सकता है आपके पास हो. Because होता क्या ना? When you start, or this actually even happens with experienced people, they think, अरे बस मिस हो गई. Same thing happened with cryptocurrency. If you remember in 2017-18, 16 to 17 to 18, when cryptocurrency was doing extremely well, so many people got into cryptocurrency without even understanding cryptocurrency hota kya hai, what is the thing they're investing in. They just bought it. Why? Because FOMO. You can also counter that FOMO, fear of missing out. They're like, bas chado, bas we have to get on that bus. We don't have to miss this opportunity. Bas chado. And we are chasing opportunities. आपको जैसे I remember कॉमिक्स आता था, ये आई थिंक स्मॉल नॉवल में न्यूज़पेपर साइड में कॉलम्स आते हैं, वाज रीडिंग दिस, एंड वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ था दैट अ पर्सन ट्रैवलर आस्क्ड द शॉपकीपर, ये सड़क कहाँ को जा रही है. ट्रैवलर आस्क्ड द शॉपकीपर, ये सड़क कहाँ को जा रही है. नो व्हाट द शॉपकीपर रिप्लाइड. शॉपकीपर बोलता है, भाई साहब सड़क तो इधर ही है, जाना आपको है. सड़क तो इधर ही है, जाना आपको है. Same situation in stock markets. Don't think opportunities आपसे दूर जा रही हैं. Don't think opportunities are running away from you. Just stand there and you will have 30 options to come. Stock markets are not moving. You are standing still. Stock markets is that road. So don't try to run after something. One bus is missed, don't worry, another bus will come. सड़क इधर ही है, जाना हमें है. Right? So never try to chase a missed opportunity. Because if you're trying to chase an opportunity, then chances are, statistically speaking, you are already too late in it. And a lot of no-voice investors get into this trap. A lot of even experienced investors get into this trap. So always avoid this. Then the second point, never overtrade. We should never invest more than the risk we can take. If this is the case, even a slight volatility will make you lose your balance of mind and consequence will take irrational decisions. दोबारा पढ़ता हूं. Again, I'm just reading out all the points we've written, right? Never ever overtrade. We should never invest more than the risk we can take. And if this is the case, even a slight volatility will make us lose our balance of mind, and as a consequence, we will take irrational decisions. Never ever overtrade. अब होता क्या है? I know so many people who tell me, Harsh, I want to make a career in stock markets, and of course, because it's advertised in such ways, people think trading is easy, and people think that trading में तो कुछ है ही नहीं. You just need to spend 2 hours, तो भाई तुम profit कमाने वाले हो, जो ऐसा genuinely नहीं होता है, right? You have to work your ass off to be in stock markets. You have to work your ass off to become a trader, like in any other field. ठीक है? Now होता क्या? People say, Harsh, I'm going to I want this much money, so I want to trade in stock markets. People tell me, Harsh, I'm leaving my job and coming into stock markets without any experience, right? And they say, Harsh, my previous job was of 30,000 rupees a month, तो मुझे 30,000 rupees a month चाहिए market से. इसके वजह से they tend to overtrade. They tend to overtrade because there's a constant pressure on them. Because if they don't get the income from stock markets, तो हो सकता है उनका घर ना चले, their household expenses can't run. तो होता क्या है? They tend to overtrade. Overtrade में क्या होगा? You will tend to take much more risk. You will tend to take much more leverages. You will do trades that are not necessary. You will overtrade. इसमें सिर्फ आपका broker अमीर होगा. Only your stock broker will actually get rich from this. No one else is going to benefit from this. Especially you, my friend, are never going to benefit from this. I had made the same mistake. When I had come out of college, again, come out of school, I didn't go to college, तो मेरा बहुत clear था कि यार मुझे stock markets करना है. And obviously I was 21, 22 at that time, and I felt कि at that point of time, I want to be the earner of the family. I don't want to take money from my family. And I'm sure if you're at that age, you would understand. If you have gone through that age, you would understand कि वो जो feeling होती है ना कि अब घर से पैसा नहीं चाहिए मुझे, बस ये करना है. But problem क्या हुई? I started over-trading a lot. Then when I reviewed back, I saw आधे trades तो ज़रूरी थे ही नहीं. There's no point of me trading those things जो मैंने extra trade कर दिया. I took extra risk, and that risk a lot of times it did not pay off. Right? So never overtrade. Now third point मैं पढ़ता हूँ is that every investor goes through tough times for sure. If you're an investor and you're thinking कि आते ही markets में you're going to excel and you're going to start earning income, ऐसा नहीं होगा. You will go through tough times for sure. You will have to go through them. Be it life, be it any work, be it any profession, any business or investment or stock markets or trading in stock markets, you will have to go through a tough time. So be mentally prepared for that. Don't just get scared कि अच्छा नुकसान हो गया मैं भाग रहा हूँ. वो मत करना. ठीक है? I have faced these situations many times. Yet, with time, we create wealth from investments. So this situation happens to you. If happens to you, it's okay. It's a part of our growth journey. It's perfectly okay. But let us not repeat these mistakes. You will go through tough times. Trading mein, you will go through tough times. Investment mein, alike, you will go through tough times. But you don't need to give up. Because you have to look at the longer picture. Long term picture को कभी छोड़ना मत. लोग बोलते हैं stock market नुकसान हो गया, I'm not entering stock markets again. My friend, वो तो होगा ही ना. When you enter any field, वो तो होगा ही. How can you expect to enter in any field and just excel in it? नहीं होगा ना. Keep your goal on the long-term picture. All your biases, emotional biases should be in order, and then you go ahead with it. It's perfectly okay if you make mistakes. Thing is, you should learn from it. जैसे मैं आपको पहले वाले केस में बता रहा था. How did I realize I was overtrading? Because when I looked back, मैं diary maintain करता था. I used to have a proper bookkeeping system. And again, this is advice for all of you. If you're an investor and you don't have a bookkeeping system, and if you're only depending on Demat account statements or the bank statements to tell you where your money is parked, then that is not the right way to go. मैं थोड़ा ओल्ड स्कूल हूँ, आई तो हैव वर्कशीट्स और मैं पेपर में लिखता हूँ, बट यू कैन गो विद एक्सेल शीट ऑल्सो, बट यू हैव टू मेंटेन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग योर सेल्फ. That is how you review back. That is how when you review your tough time, you can see what were the mistakes you made, what are the things you can improve much more, what are your strong points, and how can you move ahead. ठीक. उसके बाद point number 4, never invest with leverage money. Never invest with leverage money. Now another reason why I see a lot of people failing, why? Because they take heavy leverages. ठीक है. इफ यू डोंट नो अबाउट लेवरेजेस, मैंने स्टॉक ब्रोकिंग पे वीडियो बनाई थी, लिंक आपको इधर के मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. उस पर आई एक्सप्लेन हाउ डू द ब्रोकर्स अर्न, मार्केट मार्जिन्स, लेवरेजेस होते क्या है बेसिकली. तो आप उस वीडियो देखना आफ्टर दिस वीडियो, सो यू विल गेट द फुल डिटेल अबाउट द एंटायर स्टॉक ब्रोकिंग इंडस्ट्री एंड स्टॉक ब्रोकर्स. बट बेसिकली लेवरेजेस क्या होते हैं, दैट द ब्रोकर गिव्स यू मनी एंड यू ट्रेड ऑन देयर मनी, सो यू गिव देम इंटरेस्ट. ठीक है, ऑन अ एनुअल बेसिस ऑफ कोर्स. सो होता क्या है, पीपल टेक 10 times the leverage. तो सपोज इफ दे हैव अ इन्वेस्टमेंट पोर्टफोलियो ऑफ 1 लाख रुपीज, वो 1 लाख रुपए से ट्रेड नहीं करेंगे, वो 1 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. ब्रोकर बोलेगा चलो ठीक है, द स्टॉक ब्रोकर, दैट यू हैव 1 लाख रुपीज, दैट्स ओके सर, आई गिव यू 10 times leverage, so now you can trade with 10 lakh rupees. You have a portfolio of 1 lakh, but now you can trade with 10 lakh rupees. 9 lakh rupees, it's the leverage. इतना leverage मत करो. Why? Because your 10 lakh portfolio, even if it comes down by 10%, right? Even if your 10 lakh portfolio जो leverage money के साथ है, that comes down with 10%. 10% of 1 lakh, 10% of 10 lakh is how much? It is 1 lakh. You have, if that comes down 10%, you have lost your entire capital of 1 lakh. So it's a double-edged sword. If profit, extreme profit. If loss, तो extreme, मतलब लॉस की बात नहीं, वो कैपिटल आपका वाइप आउट हो जाएगा. एंड आई नो सो मेनी ट्रेडर्स अनफॉर्चुनेटली गेट इनटू दिस ट्रैप. यस, होता क्या ना, एंड आई ऑल्सो डिड दिस मिस्टेक, जब व्हेन यू एंटर मार्केट्स, नो, यू एंटर थिंक कि यार मुझे पैसे कमाने हैं, ये अपॉर्चुनिटी अच्छी है, ये लेवरेज मैं करूंगा, ये तो मैं लेवरेज करूंगा ही करूंगा, मुझे और पैसे कमाने हैं, सो दैट आई कैन इन्वेस्ट मोर मनी, तो लेट मी टेक लेवरेज और मैं और पैसे कमाऊंगा. बट ऐसा होता नहीं है ना, क्योंकि हाँ, यू माइट गेट लकी वंस ट्वाइस थ्राइस, बट वंस द टेबल टर्न्स अगेंस्ट यू, यू विल गेट वाइप्ड आउट. वैसे बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है, इसमें कुछ भी अनकॉमन नहीं है. ठीक. सो प्लीज बी श्योर यू डू नॉट ट्रेड ऑन लेवरेज. और अगर आपको लगता है कि अच्छा ये अपॉर्चुनिटी तो बहुत ही अच्छी है, ये इफ देयर आर सम अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड इफ यूर एक्सपीरियंस ट्रेड इन्वेस्टर, इफ यू फील ये अपॉर्चुनिटी तो बहुत ही अच्छी है, ये तो मुझे करनी है, दिस इज अप माई आई कैन डू दिस, इफ दैट इज द सिचुएशन, देन यू कैन टेक अ लेवरेज ऑफ 50 to 60%. उतना तक का लेवरेज ले सकते हो आप. 50 to 60% इज सेफ. What I recommend to newbies, if they really want to take it, take not more than 10%, but 50 to 60% is also okay. You take leverage till 50 to 60%, which again, this 50 to 60% is for investors and traders who are experienced and who know what are good opportunities, what are not good opportunities. ठीक है? Point number 4. Point number 5. Never forget that markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. Markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. इसको कभी भूलना मत. Don't try to make sense out of stock markets, because at some point markets are irrational. And if you think logically, या मैंने किसी और वीडियो में बोला था, we are irrational to trying to predict the markets, because markets can go anywhere. Markets does not fully rely on economy. होता क्या, a lot of people, why don't they make money in stock markets? Because they think that stock markets and economy move in the absolute same direction all the time. ऐसा नहीं है. If that was the situation, then every economist in this world would have been a billionaire. The movements of markets are affected by a lot of other things. It's affected by sentiments, it's affected by rumors, it's affected by future predictions. Economy is just, if you study economics, the study of economics, GDPs, macros, repo rates, interest rates, that is the past and the current, जो हो चुका है. बट मार्केट्स को फ्यूचर एस्पेक्ट्स बहुत फ्लक्चुएट करते हैं, बहुत इम्प्रोवाइज करते हैं. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस दैट markets will remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. I'll repeat, markets will remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. दोस्त, इसका मतलब क्या है? Markets will remain irrational, markets will have no sense to it longer than we can stay alive. Longer, when I say alive, as in cash wise, people get bankrupt. And I'm sure आपने भी स्टोरीज ऐसी सुनी होंगी जो सच हैं. Because markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solved. So never try to think you can outrun the markets, you can outbeat the markets. वो situation कभी आएगी ही नहीं, आएगी ही नहीं. Right? So always remember this, and this is for the experienced traders and investors. Never think you can beat the markets. अगर markets आपको profit दे रहा है ना, till date जो भी मुझे profit आया है, I still मतलब I treat markets as external force. ठीक है, अभी मेरे दिमाग में है, हो सकता है you draw a different picture out of it. Whatever I come out of the markets, that is a blessing. My mind would be used only 10%, rest I would say it's just stock market's blessing. In the long run, you can predict things, but in the shorter run, it's difficult. It is very, very difficult. Take to ek ye, I think I'm forgetting who told me this. When I was taking stock market classes, I'm forgetting someone. So in my first year after college, I took stock market classes, जो भी मुझे मिले थे. So I think class में किसी में बोला था या फिर I read a book somewhere, ध्यान नहीं आ रहा. But I remember उस book में था, when you enter stock markets ना, जूते और ईगो बाहर छोड़ के आओ. When you enter stock markets, when you start trading and investing, leave your shoes and ego outside. Because you cannot beat the market, so remember that. Okay, now point number 6 is that tips are always disastrous to everyone. So please follow a proper stock market method and strategy and stick to it. अब ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. अब होता क्या है, when you enter the markets, when I entered the markets, like I told you, मैं तो टिप्स पे था. अच्छा ये इनसाइडर इन्फॉर्मेशन आ रही है, ये तो बड़ी पक्की इन्फॉर्मेशन है, बहुत अच्छा सोर्स है, बहुत पक्का सोर्स है. यार बहुत लॉजिकली सोचो, इफ यू आर गेटिंग द इन्फॉर्मेशन, नो, इट हैज ऑलरेडी बीन टू लेट. यू आर गेटिंग द इन्फॉर्मेशन बिकॉज समवन एल्स वांट्स यू टू गेट दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन. हो सकता है योर क्लोज फ्रेंड इज टेलिंग यू एंड ही इज टेलिंग यू द ट्रूथ, बट क्या पता योर क्लोज फ्रेंड इज ओनली मिसगाइडेड. और होगा क्या ना, इन टिप्स के चक्कर में यू विल फाइंड पीपल जो एक दो बार दिस टिप्स विल प्रूव राइट कि इनसाइड इन्फॉर्मेशन विल प्रूव राइट, एंड यू विल गेट टेम्प्टेड, अरे यार मैं तो अब नेक्स्ट टाइम मिस नहीं करूंगा. मत करो यार, इसमें मत पढ़ना. टिप्स नेवर वर्क आउट. ये जो इनसाइडर इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है, बकवास. डोंट गो फॉर इट. इट्स नॉट क्रेडिबल और एथिकल तो है ही नहीं. इट्स नॉट एथिकल एट ऑल एंड इट्स नॉट इवन क्रेडिबल इफ यू डोंट केयर अबाउट योर एथिक्स कि चलो यार मुझे पैसे कमाने, इट्स ओके, इट्स योर चॉइस, बट ये कभी काम करेगा ही नहीं. If you don't believe me, open Google, just search for articles, insider information trading, loss due to insider information. You will find a tsunami of articles telling you कि क्या situation होती है. These sources are not credible. Don't go for tips. You need to make a system. You need to make a stock market system, investment and trading system. Remember this, people fail, systems don't. People fail, systems don't. And if you don't have a system, you will never reach the point. You will never become a successful investor and trader. Why am I sitting here today? Why did I get printed by so many media articles? Why did I get public platforms like TEDx हो गया, जो stock हो गया, क्यों? Why did I became the trainer for NSE BSE? क्यों? Because me and Aditya, we were very, मतलब हमारा concept ये था, we want to make a system जहाँ पे we earn money without losing our sleep. We earn money just by following the system, and anything outside the system I don't even think of doing. We follow a system, and this is what I tell all my students, that जो system मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ उसको ही follow करो बस. System के बाहर मत सोचो. If something is out of system, do not invest it, do not trade into it. Make a system. ठीक? Then the point number 7, that trading needs a disciplined approach. Trading needs a disciplined approach. Up trading, you know how do I define a trade? For me, my trade is a pre-decided transaction. It's a pre-decided transaction जहाँ मुझे पता है where is going to be my buy point, where is going to be my target or stop loss. So my sell point will be either the target I achieve or the stop loss I hit. So दो चीजें ही होंगी. That's it. It's a pre-decided deal. If you're trading और आपको लग रहा है कि अच्छा यार ये स्टॉक अच्छा चल जाएगा, and if you're trading and if it's not a pre-decided deal, you are doing it the wrong way. You're not right. If you're into future options, if you're trading in derivatives, if you're trading on tips also, if you do, it's not a pre-decided deal, it's not trading, it's gamble, it's luck. Trading नहीं होती है. Stock trading is when it's a pre-decided deal. पहले से ही you should know what's going to be a buy point, what are going to be a sell points, either the target or the stop loss. That's it. Trading has to be a pre-decided deal. Any transaction which is not a pre-decided deal, it is not a stock market trade. Investments are not a pre-decided deal. Long-term investments are not pre-decided deals, but trading is a pre-decided deal, and that's the biggest advantage of it. Then point number 8, never invest in penny stocks. अब ये अगेन मैं आपको बता ही रहा था दैट व्हेन आई एंटर स्टॉक मार्केट्स, मेरा पॉइंट क्या था, आई यूज टू फाइंड स्टॉक्स दैट आर चीप, आई यूज टू फाइंड स्टॉक्स दैट आर वेरी चीप, सस्ते हैं, वो खरीदना चाहता हूं मैं. बट ये याद रखना दैट पेनी स्टॉक्स डू नॉट डू वेल. मैं कैसे बताऊं आपको, कितना समझाऊं, मतलब आई गेट इट, आप आ रहे हो, यू आर इन्फ्लुएंस बाय पीपल और आपको लगता है पेनी स्टॉक्स आर चीप, और हमारी ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी ऐसे दैट वी वांट टू गो फॉर दी स्टॉक्स, बट दी स्टॉक्स आर नेवर प्रॉफिटेबल. Yes, you would find a stock जो 6 रुपए गया, then it goes back to 40, and I get so many texts from friends as well, right? So my students know we have to follow a system. Anything outside the system is wrong. But my friends connect me for stock market help, and I'm always welcome to help them. हर टाइम यही डाउट आएगा कि अच्छा ये स्टॉक इतने का हो गया है, सस्ता स्टॉक है, मैं ये खरीद लेता हूँ, मैं वो स्टॉक खरीद लेता हूँ, लेट मी बाय दिस स्टॉक इज वेरी चीप नाउ, लुक एट दिस, फ्रॉम 10 रुपीज़ इट ट्रैवल टू 80 रुपीज़, फ्रॉम 20 रुपीज़ इट्स गॉन फॉर 60 रुपीज़, और यही होगा, शुड आई बाय दिस, शुड आई नॉट बाय दिस. डोंट बाय दिस, डोंट बाय पेनी स्टॉक्स. Again, why are you entering into penny stocks? Because when penny stocks drastically do well, हमें लगता है यार ये तो opportunity मिस हो गई. और जो point number 1 है, never trade in excitement, FOMO. Never have the fear of missing out. Again, it's our nature, but you need to understand it. If you understand it, the nature will change. ठीक है, nobody can discipline you in stock markets. Discipline करोगे तो इसका मतलब you don't know the outcome. Tigers are disciplined in circus कि ये मारूंगा तो यहाँ कूदना. Human beings are not disciplined. You understand things. That is what knowledge and experience is. Do you discipline yourself to jump in front of a moving car? ट्रेन के नीचे आ जाओगे, इसमें डिसिप्लिन करते हो, हर्ष ट्रेन के नीचे नहीं. Why? Because you know the outcome. If you do that, you will die. So if you understand the outcome, you will not need to get disciplined. So आप खुद सोचो, penny stocks never do well. ये जो आप फंस रहे हो, you are in the FOMO cycle where people feel that no, these penny stocks are going to do well. Do not trade in penny stocks. That is for people who are avid investors, who are always into stock markets, who have at least 3 to 4 years in stock markets. तब जाके even think of penny stocks. उससे पहले you should not. If you're trading in them with trading tools, technical proper आपकी pre-decided trading plan है, pre-decided deal है, then it's okay. But don't go for long-term investment in penny stocks कि अच्छा ही चढ़ जाएगा. कुछ नहीं चढ़ने वाला. कुछ भी नहीं चढ़ने वाला है. Never work on tips कि मेरे friend ने मुझे बताया है. राइट, नेवर वर्क ऑन इनसाइडर टिप्स की, ये बहुत अच्छी इनसाइडर इंफॉर्मेशन है, हॉगवॉश. ठीक, उसके बाद गुड इन्वेस्टिंग एंड गुड ट्रेडिंग इज एक्सट्रीमली मोनोटोनस एंड बोरिंग. अभी एक और चीज है, इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड ट्रेडिंग इज अ बोरिंग जॉब. इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड ट्रेडिंग इज एन एक्सट्रीमली बोरिंग जॉब. मतलब भाई बहुत ज्यादा बोरिंग जॉब है ये. इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड ट्रेडिंग आर बोरिंग. If you're a long-term investor, you will never have that adrenaline, because investor काम क्या है, you just have to wait patiently. Same with the trader. You have to wait patiently, and when your technicals give you the indicator, when on the stocks you have decided, जो आपने stocks decide किया for trade, और जब technical दे तब आप घुसोगे. Because technical is a pre-decided deal, you will repeat the same thing again and again and again. You will get massive profits, but it is boring. अब इससे होता क्या है, पीपल एंड अप, जो एड्रेनलिन के लिए, एक्साइटमेंट के लिए, दे एंड अप डूइंग रैंडम थिंग्स. अच्छा ये खरीद लेते हैं, चलो उसको खरीद के इसमें बेच देते हैं, अच्छा आई एम गोइंग टू बाय दिस कॉल ऑप्शन और दिस पुट ऑप्शन, और आई एम गोइंग टू सेल माय कॉल ऑप्शन. ऑल दी स्ट्रैटेजीज, दे आर ओके, बट फॉर एविड इन्वेस्टर्स, all avid investors understand that investing and trading is boring. I repeat again, investment and trading is boring. Why? Because you just need to follow a system. And yes, following that system will get boring at some point of time, but you don't need to move ahead of it. Just follow that system. Make a system and follow it. This is what I tell to all my students. Make a system. जो हम system देते हैं, just follow that system. That's it. Investing and trading is supposed to be boring. And if you want excitement, तो हाँ होता क्या है, even sometimes I want excitement, तो what do? I keep 2-3% of my portfolio out and I just randomly trade, क्योंकि excitement होती है, that's okay. And I know great investors who do this, which is okay. It keeps your mind occupied. But अगर आप पूरे पोर्टफोलियो से यही कर रहे हो तो नहीं है. Investment and trading is boring. Always remember that. ठीक, okay. Point number 10. Also remember that stock markets is the same asset class like real estate, golds and bonds. Don't come into stock markets expecting that you will get rich overnight. वो नहीं होने वाला है. Because again, the market perception is such. हम सब ने markets को ऐसे shape करके रखा हुआ है that all of us feel that stock market, oh ho, you're going to earn instant income. भाई immediately अमीर होने वाले हैं. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा. I repeat again, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है. You will not get massively rich in stock markets overnight. Yes, stock markets is the biggest tool you have to go to from middle class to rich class. That, to be honest, is the only tool you have. If you have the capabilities of Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, then Bill Gates, तब तो तुम्हें कोई रोक ही नहीं सकता. You're the best. But if you're a normal person like me, stock markets is your only way to reach there. Investment trading in stock markets is your tool to become rich. And that is why the difference between middle class and rich has been constantly increasing. Why? Because the rich, all of their money is into stock markets. And for the middle class, we don't even think about stock markets. We put our money in banks. And if you see right now, bank interest rates, as of now, the video I'm recording, are sitting at an all-time low. The worldwide bank interest rates are nearing zero, and even some of the countries even have negative bank interest rates. Now, just imagine you put in an FD, fixed deposit for a year, and the end में you get a negative return. ऐसा होता है. और ऐसा एक point में India में भी होगा. India will follow the same route because we are also traveling from developing to developed, and we will follow the same route. ठीक है. सो स्टॉक मार्केट्स में इन्वेस्ट करना बहुत जरूरी है. सो डोंट थिंक ऑफ इट एज अ टूल कि भाई स्टॉक मार्केट्स में तो ओवरनाइट पैसा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. एंड इफ यू आर थिंकिंग दैट वे, यू विल गेट वाइप्ड ऑफ इन 2-3 months. ठीक है. इफ यू कम इमीडिएटली इन स्टॉक मार्केट एंड थिंक ओके आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अर्निंग इनकम फ्रॉम स्टॉक मार्केट्स एसएप एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेक माय करियर फ्रॉम टुडे इटसेल्फ, नहीं होगा. I might be sounding a little aggressive to you, but I'm being very honest to you, right? Because I don't want you to repeat the same mistakes I have made. And जो भी आप सीख रहे हो, I want you to tell this to other people also. Share this video with other people so that even they can realize. Right? Now, point number 11, which is the last one, is that the only hard work we have to do in stock markets is keeping patience. The only hard work you need to do in stock markets is patience, and that is the toughest thing. Keeping patience in stock markets is the toughest thing. Keeping patience anyway is the toughest thing. If you don't believe me, try this activity. After watching this video, just shut down your device you're watching this video on. Go to a room, switch off the lights, and just sit silently. Just sit. Why am I telling you switch off the lights? Sit in a dark room. Why? Because I don't want any external stimulus to be there. I don't want you to spend your time looking at something. I don't want to spend your time reading something or fidgeting with something. कुछ आप ऐसे हाथ वार से कुछ कर रहे हो, ऐसे हाथ पैर हिल रहे हैं, कुछ भी नहीं. I just want you to sit patiently for 5 minutes. That's it. And I can tell you it's going to be the most difficult thing. It is not possible. इसको बोलते हैं to practice patience. If you actually want to develop patience, this is a great way. How do you practice patience? How do you develop patience? This is a great way. How do you do it? This is how you do it. You practice it. You sit in a room where you have no stimulus. आपको कुछ ना आपके visionary senses से, ना आपके taste buds से, ना touch senses से, आपको कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. In all your 5 senses, आपको कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. And you're just sitting patiently in a dark room. आप देखोगे how difficult it is. How difficult being patient is. And in stock markets, you're like a tiger. You are like a tiger who has to sit patiently for its prey. शिकार के लिए भाई patiently बैठना पड़ेगा for days to come, for months to come. But when that opportunity comes, you will grab it and you will take it. You will seize it. That is what a true trader investor is. You don't run after every opportunity. अच्छा वो भी पकड़ूं, नहीं possible है, वो humanly possible ही नहीं है. You only set a phrase कि अच्छा मुझे बस यहीं पकड़ना है. These are my stocks, these are my sector of analysis, or these are my technical tools. Whatever your strategy is, whatever your system is, and you just have to focus there. बस यहीं focus करो और कहीं मत देखो. बाकी जो हो रहा है होने दो. Leave it to God's will. Just look at here. Any opportunity missed here is something to regret. Any opportunity missed outside your vision does not matter. You need to be patient. And patience is a virtue. Patience is very difficult. I know people that in 2 to 3 months they get irritated. अरे हर्ष सर प्रॉफिट नहीं हो रहा है, प्रॉफिट नहीं. अरे दोस्त 2 से 3 महीने हुए हैं तेरे को. 2-3 महीने में how can you say this? कुछ तो थोड़ा लॉन्ग टर्म सोचो. People end up going for trends. Aajkal, this is doing well, I'm going to buy this. Aajkal, farmers doing well. Aajkal, or nowadays, let's say, infrastructure is doing well, or banking is doing well. I'm going to buy banking. Don't do that. Have a vision. Patient raw. Buy the stock. If you want to go for long-term investments, buy the stock. Buy a business. Don't buy a stock. Buy a business. If you want to buy for the long-term investments, this is what Warren Buffett follows. Buy a business. When I'm buying a stock, I don't think I'm buying these many stocks. I think that I'm going to be a partner in that business. I'm going to be buying a business. Tab you'll always take the right decision. So you don't need to follow trends. कि अच्छा आजकल नहीं चल रहा, कल ये चल जाएगा. Now it is not working. Tomorrow it might start working. No. When you buy a business, you will have a clear vision for at least 5 to 10 years. Then I want to buy this. Then you buy it. If you're a trader, just stick to the amount of shares, or just stick to the number of shares you track that are in your tracking list, and just follow your technical tools, follow your strategy, follow it to the end. This is what you need. So to conclude everything, हम बहुत इसको लंबा खींच गए हैं, ठीक है? To conclude everything, first, never trade in excitement, never overtrade, right? Second, never ever overtrade. First, second points हो गए. I'm jumbling these two up, ठीक है? Third, every investor goes through tough times, so you don't need to worry. Fourth, never invest in leveraged money. Don't take loans, don't take leverages money, right? Fifth, never forget that markets can remain irrational longer than we can remain solvent. Sixth, tips are ridiculous. Seventh, trading needs to be disciplined. Trading is a pre-decided deal. Eighth, never ever trade to invest in penny stocks. Don't trade in penny stocks if you don't have 3 to 4 year experience in stock markets. If, again, when I say buy penny stocks, I mean don't invest in penny stocks. If you want to trade, I don't suggest it. I think you should trade in fundamentally strong stocks. But still, if you want to trade, you should have a pre-decided deal. जिसके पहले वाला point था. Then, seventh, trading, you have to have a pre-decided deal. Then, I've missed any point? No. Then good investment is extremely boring. Also remember stock markets like any other investment class like gold and real estate. And lastly, only the hard work in stock markets is patience. So I've concluded all the points. I've summarized all the points. Har point ka explanation there. And this is when we sat for 9 to 10 hours, we argue, no this, no that. Kitne sare points hai, but we put these points down. And trust me, I want you to listen to this video every 2 days. अलार्म डालो अपने फ़ोन में कि एवरी सेकेंड डे आई हैव टू लिसन टू दिस वीडियो, बिकॉज जितना आप इसको सुनोगे उतना ही ये आपके दिमाग में बैठेगी, उतना ही इट विल बिकम योर माइंड सेट. यू नीड टू बिलीव इन दिस, बिकॉज ये 32 years में दिस इज वॉट आई हैव टॉट, दिस इज वॉट आई हैव लर्नड. This is what I have learned from my father's experience, from his knowledge, from my own experience of 10 years, from Aditya's experience of 10 years, from seeing so many of my students making the same mistakes, then doing well. So many of his students, हर आदमी वही mistake करता है. So many of my students, so many of my friends, they the same mistake. ये तुम्हारे जहन में उतर जाना चाहिए. This, all what I have told you should go in your veins. Keep listening to it. Every second day, put an alarm or notification on your mobile. Every second day, just whatever you're doing, maybe you're doing something, you're replying to emails or you're driving, कुछ भी कर रहे हो, इसको कान में डाल लो. Put it on the stereo. Do whatever, but keep listening to this. Right? So that was it for today. That I hope you like the entire thing. If you want more content like this, if you want me to go more details like this, or if you want me to take out more podcasts like this, ki Harsh, I want more bigger things which I can just listen in the background, mujhe batana, we are going to give you content like that. And if you're new to the channel, a subscribe here, a like here would be great. This is Harsh Goela from Goela School of Finance, financially empowering you.